Hey everyone, welcome back to GetAssist.net, where I post troubleshooting videos and useful tutorials, and today's video is going to be about the review of one of the popular Stellar repair for Outlook, as recently I got one of my PST files corrupted, and in order to recover it I used this tool. So if you are in the same situation and are looking for a tool that can help you with Stellar repair for Outlook, you can also give Stellar repair for Outlook a try. So let's start with this video and see how this tool helped me to get my corrupted file. Search Stellar repair for Outlook tool on Google and click on its official link. Now here on the website you can read a lot of information about this tool, and you can go through it if you want, and then at the top click on For Business and then click on Outlook PST repair. So this is the tool that you need to download. So click on download, and here is the downloaded file. Now I will install it. So select the language and then press next. Click on I accept the agreement and press next, and then you have to select the location where you want to save this downloaded file on your computer, and then click on next and click on install, and that's it. Now let the software completely install on your device. Click on finish, and here you can see the complete information about how you can use this tool to repair PST files. You can check all the steps, or you can also watch the demo for this tool. So now let's try the tool. Now in the tool, click on the file option in the top left corner and then select Outlook data file that you want to repair. Now here you will see a lot of profiles that you can choose from, and if you have saved your file in a different location, you can go for choose mailbox manually. Click on browse and select your file. So this is the PST file that I want to repair. Click on open, and here's the file that you can see. Now click on repair, and as you can see the repair process has started. So you need to patiently wait as it repairs the file, and as you can see it has started recovering the files. Once the repair is complete, you will see this message. Click on OK. You can go through the recovered files and you can save this repaired file. Here at the top left you will see this option save repaired file, but to save it you will need to activate the tool. So now go back to home and click on the save repaired file, and you will see number of formats that you can choose from to save your PST file. You can even save it in PST format or MSD, EML, RTF, HTML or PDF format. So if you want to save it as PST file, save it and click on next, and then select the location where you want to save this file and click on OK. So this will take some time and the file will get saved in your selected location. So click on OK. Now if you will go back to your selected location, you will find the repaired file there. Now if you want to import the repaired file to your Outlook account, you need to open Outlook first and then click on File in the top left. From there click on Open and Export, and from here select Import Export option. Now here you will be asked from where you want to import the file, so you can select from another program or file and click on Next. Then select Outlook data file PST and click Next. Now here click on Browse, and you have to select the repaired file wherever you have saved it on your computer. Click on Open and then click on Next. Here you can select if you want to save the imported items into the current folder or same folder, and then click on Finish, and then you can see the import process has started. Alright, so that's all you need to do to repair the corrupted PST files using Stellar repair for Outlook tool. While buying Stellar repair for Outlook for your device, you can choose out of different subscription plans out of Professional, Technician and Toolkit as per your need, and you will get a lot of features. So that was all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you also tried this tool, do let me know in the comment section down below, and I will provide all the important links in the description box below. So go and check that out, and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you for watching.